Energetics from ketone body breakdown. Ketone body breakdown, that is acetoacetate. Acetoacetate is a 4-carbon ketone body. When it is broken down by ketone body breakdown pathway, then we get 2-acetyl-CoA. Okay, and in this breakdown pathway, one molecule of succinyl-CoA is used, right? Now, 2-acetyl-CoA will enter into TCA to give how many ATPs? 20 ATPs. Okay, but we will subtract 1 here, 20 minus 1. Why we are subtracting 1? Because one succinyl-CoA is used, and usually succinyl-CoA is involved in TCA cycle for giving 1 ATP at substrate level phosphorylation step. So that thing will not be done now because one succinyl-CoA is used. That's why I'm subtracting 1 here. So 20 minus 1 is 19 ATPs are obtained from the breakdown of ketone body acetoacetate, right? Now, what about beta-hydroxybutyrate? Another ketone body. Beta-hydroxybutyrate gets converted to acetoacetate. Now, enzyme here is dehydrogenase, beta-hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase, and NADH is produced here. This NADH will give 2.5 ATP. So, for beta-hydroxybutyrate, 19 plus 2.5 will be 21.5 ATP.